Hello mga sis! It's another great day for another great mini vlog. Nilagtawan ko muna yung mga ibang vlogs ko at move forward muna tayo sa graduation ng anak naming si Rally. Today is May 27, 2024 and it's the graduation of our daughter Oralie. In this video, you can see that we were already walking fast going to the school's auditorium.
Mundo highest honor ko. Pasis ko kayo sa kanya nga.
No, more than that naman.
Sa mataas na paaralan ng Kolehiyo ng Miriam taong 2024.
Oralie, Isabel, Leila,
Bagals.
Hello, who's mother?
Downstairs. Looking for signal.
Congrats, Rally! Congrats, ate! Show your medals. Medals? Yeah! Rally, ilang school mo? Rally! Bye, Miriam! Thank you! Bye, Miriam! Thank you, Miriam! Ba't naka-high pitch ba, sis ko?
Dalaga.
Thank you, Miriam! Thank you, Miriam! Ikaw. Thank you, Miriam! Bye, Miriam! Thank you! See you again!
Sa wakas, tatama na yung may-ari ng ID.
Hi! Thank you po, ate. Thank you. So after the graduation, minit na lang namin yung family namin sa mall somewhere in Antipolo. Dito kami nagpa-reserve na lang ng launch celebration. Na-late ang flowers, sayang. They were supposed to give the flowers mga sis sa school paglabas namin ng afternoon ceremony. Kaya lang na-late kasi they were waiting for my father. But it's okay. Ang important naman is present sila sa celebration. At bawing-bawi sa regalo mga sis moms. So, yun. Kaya pala di nag-reply. Doon na lang, huwag na dito na kaya. At this very moment, mga sis, very excited na kami to give our gift to our daughter. Never to humiling sa amin ng kahit anong expensive or branded na gift. This one, sobrang deserving ng anak namin. And alam namin na she didn't expect us na bibigyan namin siya ng brand new na cellphone. Sis, palaging hand-me-down phones ang mga natatanggap nito, mga luma, pinaglumaan namin na phone ni John. And never siya nag-complain, mga sis, ha. And most of our friends, talagang mga high-end yung cellphones. Watch nyo until the end, mga sis. Ano ba yung gift? Did you see? Medyo this is ewan ko sa'yo. Sabi ng iba. Richard! Ewan ko sa'yo. There's some joy in it. Say thank you to mom and dad. Ano mas ready lang siya? Dito na dito.
Yes, yun.
say to that. I love you. Alex, open mo daw.
Spaghetti box. Kasi it's obvious eh, pag hirap na. Thank you. Ang tago ko nun. Open mo naman, anak. For you. You deserve it. Okay, deserve it. Grabe, how many broken phones ang binigay namin sa'yo? First time na brand new phone. First brand new phone. Is it like that? Yeah, it's like that. Put it back here. This one also. I-open na lang.
Other side.
Other side. You like white, diba?
Any color na daw eh.
Yes. What will you do with this broken one? Give it back to me. You're welcome. Who's that? You were probably very, very proud. You deserve it. You deserve it.
At a very young age, tinuruan namin ng daughter namin sis ng importance ng pag-iipon at pagtitipid. Hindi basta-basta gumagastos sa mga bagay na gusto mo lang at hindi mo naman kailangan. It is our choice as parents not to give Ate Rally expensive gadgets. Tinuruan namin siya na hindi lahat ng bagay, hindi lahat ng gamit ay makukuha niya ng ganun lang. Nahihingi niya ng ganun-ganun lang sa amin. Ito ay kailangan niyang paghirapan. She did a great job mga sis. Sobrang nakakatawa. She graduated with highest honors. She passed all her college entrance exams in Ateneo, UP, UST, and LaSalle. You really made us proud and this time talagang pinaghirapan mo yan, anak. Deserve na deserve mo the best in the world, anak. Congratulations and we are very proud of you.